Hello guys, welcome to Miscellaneous UPSC. Today we are going to know about important quantitative tool that is repo rate and reverse repo rate. You must be hearing these things, right? For every 2 months, this RBI governor will meet with his colleagues and fix a repo rate. Right? He will be coming out and saying that we are decreasing the repo rate so that our economy will get good amount of loans at cheaper interest. That is what these people will say. They will come out and say that we have reduced the repo rate. That is what we are going to know about. Okay, what is this repo rate? Repo rate is repurchase operation. Okay, see what is this repo rate? Repo or repurchase option is a means of short-term borrowing. See, whatever I round up that has a meaning. Okay, even that is a small word, it has own meaning. So repo rate is a short-term loan which in banks sell approved government securities to RBI and get funds in exchange. I already told. What did I say in the that G securities are purchased by banks so that they are in a good position to meet any circumstances. Because suppose to get loans in a bank, what we will do? We will keep the documents of the house as a collateral in the bank and get loans, or else mortgage our gold in any Manappuram, Attica, this kind of NBFCs and get loans. Right? In the same manner, banks will keep their government securities, which it purchased from RBI way back, so that like a when a person gets a lot of money, what he will do? He will purchase lands, right? He will purchase land, gold, so that he will be in good position, so that he will be he can fight with the inflation, because gold rate will always increase. Rather than keeping money in your home, you will buy gold so that you won't get, if you don't get any interest, you will be getting an increase in price of gold, right? That is the main context here also. Even banks will keep these kind of things like government security, so that they can put these things as a collaterals while taking loans from RBI. Okay, see, that is the thing. So this government will sell their government securities to the RBI and get loans. That is repo rate. Means banks are giving their, this is the bond, GSEC are giving to RBI. RBI will give loans and banks will pay in interest. That interest is repo rate. Simple, right? In other words, in a repo rate, RBI repurchases government securities from the banks depending on the level of money supply it decided to maintain in the country's monetary policy. I will explain how RBI purchasing government security from a bank will decide the money supply. Okay, just be patient, just try to observe the meaning of the definition. You must have observed the meaning of the repo rate, right? That is it, it is a kind of interest rate banks will pay to RBI in exchange of loans given on government securities. Okay, that is the thing. See, who are giving? RBI is giving money. Banks will give GSECs, that is government securities. Banks will also pay repo rate or interest. Okay, that is the thing. If if in reverse, if in reverse, banks will give money to the RBI and RBI will give it back the GSECs. I already told that in the basic definition, RBI deals with the GSECs. So RBI will be having a lot of GSECs, government securities. So it can pledge in other banks and get money. See, you may think that central bank is big, it will be having crores of amount. That is not true. A bank like a bank, ICICI Bank, is will be dealing with lakhs of crores, crores, crores. Suppose you compare, suppose you think about SBI, even that will be having around 5 lakh crores, that much amount. So that it will be in a good position to give loans to central bank, RBIs also. That is the thing. Repo rate means reverse. Now, who has taken the loans? RBI has taken the money. This is called reverse repo rate. Now, RBI will give interest. That is reverse repo rate. Remember, friends, in CRR and SLR, RBI will not pay any interest. No interest. Okay, remember that. RBI will not pay any interest. No interest is there in that reverse ratios. You understand this thing, right? See, you got the picture. I have already explained what is this RRR. RRR. You must be familiar with this word, right? Reverse repo rate is the rate at which RBI borrows. Borrows means get money from commercial bank. Banks are always happy to lend because they are getting interest. That is the thing. See, see this question. Reverse repo rate is a tool used by RBI to get money. So RBI is getting money. From where it is getting? From banks. So banks can give loan to people. So if RBI takes the money, there will be no money to give to these people. So it is taking the liquidity from the banks so that that liquidity doesn't pass on to the people. Now you got right? Liquidity means like money. If you take all the money from bank cannot give loans. Means no loans with the people, no money with the people. What will happen? No money with the people means they can't buy. If any inflation is there, suppose so much inflation is happening in a country, if there is no money, what will happen? Prices will come down because no demand. Means for reducing of prices, these things are used. Now I will explain how RBI fights this inflation, deflation, all these things. How RBI tries to expand the economy with these repo rates. This is the most important thing in repo rate and reverse repo rate. See, this is important. Reverse repo rate, sorry, repo rate is always higher than reverse repo rate. Why? See, repo rate means banks need to pay X amount. Okay. Reverse means RBI need to pay Y amount. If Y is higher than X, what these banks will do? They will go to RBI and they will deposit in RBI to get interest rather than giving loans to others. What these people will do? Banks will go to RBI and simply keep their money and they will do jingalala. Jingalala because they are getting more amount of interest rather than giving to other people. If we give to in a safe hands, rather giving to a corporate, if we keep our loans in, if we keep our liquidity in the RBI, we are getting interest. So in that way, to eliminate that greedy thoughts, RBI always keeps repo rate higher than reverse repo rate. That is the thing. Now I will explain how RBI will control inflation. Suppose there is a inflation in India. Prices are very high. So what this RBI will do? They will increase the repo rate. Okay, increase the repo rate means now this is RBI, this is bank. If RBI is asking more interest, hey bhaiya, to get a loan you need to pay more interest. Okay, I will take some loans. RBI has given loan. Interest is very high. That is repo rate is very high. So what will happen? So bank is giving repo rate very high. So to get profits, what will this bank do? Even bank will charge more interest on people. So what will happen? Suppose RBI is charging 5% of repo. Now banks will charge 8% interest on people. People are sad. They will not take loans. So no money in the economy. Inflation is controlled. See, repo rate. This is the normal thing. Normal condition. Inflation is ravaging in the country. So what this RBI has done? It has increased the repo rate 13%. So now banks will give loans to the customers at high percent. No one will take these loans and no money. Inflation is controlled. Similarly, if deflation, prices are lowering, repo rate is reduced. That is what. Now what is happening? All the companies are closed. All the MSMEs are closed. Whatever the companies, all are becoming NPS. So what they need? They need loans. That is the reason RBI governor coming out of the meeting and says, for encouraging our economy, we are reducing the repo rate. That is what actually happened. This is called expansion policy of RBI. That is the thing. You understood, I think. This is the simplest thing. Just applying. Just applying. If repo rate is increased, inflation is decreased. Repo rate is decreased, inflation will increase. That is the thing. That is the tool how people use to calm the economy. Okay, that is the thing. I hope you like this video, friends. This is the best thing. Means economics is the easiest thing. If you know the basics, you will excel. That is the thing. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. All the best.